Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel, and this is what we get up to.
Are you going to introduce yourself?
I am Fynnley.
I'm Dad.
I am Kelly.
And I am Mum.
And this one just here,
It's
Sydney! So today, the suspension strut has arrived for Carla's car. So I shall just demonstrate why I think it's the suspension strut that is bent, and we shall crack on putting it on. So if we have a look at this one here, well, it doesn't come with a spring. Doesn't come with a spring. So we have a look at this one here. We get that straight look. No bending here. It's just straight. When if we have a look at the older one, give me a minute. Have a look at the older one. The spring on it means we need to take the top mount off. But we have a look at the older one, look. It is bent. Just there. So it's not straight. So what we can do is we could get some spring compressors, compress the spring, take the top mount off. So this should be interesting. Take the top mount off, put the spring on, and put it on the car. So as you can see, it's all on. It does look like that was a suspension suspension strut at fault. And now all we're going to do is we're going to find a garage to get the car tracked. My doggy. He's a big lad, isn't he?
We're on our way to get the Tavera tracked now. It's got no wheels on it now.
When you come in here, look.
Then we come in here. Loads of tyres. Absolutely loads of tyres.
Yeah, look here, look. It took all the tread off, look.
All the tread off it.
Look, all the tread. So we've got to have two new tyres.
Two new tyres?
Yeah, look at the inside of that. There, look.
Ooh.
Scrubbed it completely
Look
off,
at the back of the wheel, as well, Dad.
That's dangerous, that is, look. See that shoulder there, look. See it, put your camera on it, look.
Right there.
Yeah, look, see it, look. It's the shoulder on it is dangerous, and you can see it started to get from the cords, look. So it's got to have tyres.
Yeah. Dad, why is he taking all the air out?
Well, you'll see in a minute.
Does that mean all the tyres are squishy now?
Yeah. Look.
He's not talking this to us.
Come on here, look, you'll see that. Ready?
Oh no, Bob. I guess it's ready. Ooh. That's why it needs to be squishy.
watching, look.
I'm watching. The camera's watching as well. No, I'll stop.
Okay, come that way, look.
It's doing hours. In.
Ready? How's that?
Cool. That's how you take a tyre off a wheel.
There you
Never
go.
seen a wheel without a tyre up. I haven't.
There you go. Do you think that'll be good enough for your YouTube channel?
Yes. I guess that is what a wheel looks like without a tyre. Go around here. Around here.
Just be careful you don't get in the way, Finn. Okay. What's that way, Finn? Ready?
That's one way. Dad, you might have to hold it.
There you go, look. Come on, look. It won't blow up.
That's bad.
Oh, there you go. Ready?
It's going good.
Come away.
Because it might pop.
Yeah, what? What? Ready? Watch him. Below.
I am ready. I am ready.
Maybe thin, look. It brushes the inside, look. Inside of the wheel.
Oh, Dad, look, there's a red dot inside of the wheel.
Eh?
There's a red dot inside of the wheel, look.
Yeah, it shows you, doesn't it? Shows you where to put it, look.
Now you put it.
Yeah.
That thingy, can't you, Dad?
Yeah.
You can't really see.
And when he does it, look. Come back here, look. And then you should be able to see it now, look.
You can see it a little. So,
Look.
as you can see, he's doing it again on the back wheel. And then they'll have to do it again on the passenger side. So, what they have to do is they have to brush something behind the wheel
Yeah, that's to make it clean. And then they have to do the track rod.
Then they have to do the track rod, like Dad just said.
So we did take the car for its wheel alignment to be sorted, but what did the man say?
It can't be tracked.
Yeah, so it's a little bit worse than we thought. So what we're going to do next, in the next video probably, is we're going to put an inner track rod end on it, aren't we?
Yeah.
We are not going to spend too much more on it. Obviously, if it is any worse, we'll probably do a track rod end, and if it's still the same, we'll probably do a wishbone, and that is the last thing we'll spend on it. What do you think? We don't want to spend much more than that, do we?
No.
And then if it's the same, we shall probably just either break it for parts, or get rid and buy a new one. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Anything you want to say?
No.
No? We all good? Alright then. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.